Hi, want to know how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy A14 to a PC or laptop? So, the first step is that we would need to take the charging cable. It can be any type of Type-C cable, which is on one side Type-C and on the second one USB Type-A, or if your PC and laptop supports Type-C, it can be two-sided Type-C. So, one side we would need to plug into our computer and second side into our phone. So, the Type-C side we would need to plug into the charging port, which is located at the bottom part of your phone. And the second side, in my case this is USB Type-A, we would need to plug it into the PC or laptop. And after this, on your phone should appear a message which is asking if we would like to allow access to phone data. Here we would need to click allow, and now let's move on to the PC. So, next thing that we would need to do on our laptop, that's to open File Explorer, and here go to the tab which is named This PC. Click on it, and here you will see your phone as your name's A14. Click on it to open it, then open internal storage, and here you'd be able to find a lot of folders with a lot of files in them. So we can see notifications, there will be all of the ringtones. So usually people want to transfer some photos and videos from the camera, and these are located in this folder which is named DCIM. Here we can see more free folders which is screenshots, decopic, and camera. I'll go to the camera. I got here some pictures from my phone. For example, I'll choose these two to transfer them to my PC. Now we would need to right click on the files that we have selected and then click on this button copy. As a next step, you would need to choose the final destination for these files. I have created a folder on my desktop. Now I will open it, and now in any empty place inside the folder, right click and choose here this icon if you have Windows 11, or you can just find a button which is saying paste. So we are clicking on the paste button, and both of the files appears inside our folder which is located on our PC. We have also one more option, and that's to just pull the photos inside another folder which looks like this, but let's choose some different ones, for example these two, and then just by a left click hold your mouse on it and pull it to another folder. And after this we will have them also here, and because we are copying the files and not just moving them, you'll have both copies on your PC and the originals will stay on the phone. So now we can close those folders and disconnect our phone from the PC. This is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.